Welcome students. In this topic, we learn about the partnership business organization. It is the relationship between the person who have agreed to share the profit of business carried on by all or any of them acting for all is called as partnership business organization. पार्टनरशिप म्हणजे ज्यावेळेस बिझनेससाठी दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त लोक एकत्र येतील टू शेअर द प्रॉफिट आणि ऑर्गनायझेशन हे सर्व लोक चालवतील किंवा सर्वांसाठी काही लोक चालवत असतील त्यावेळेस त्याला म्हणायचं आहे पार्टनरशिप बिझनेस ऑर्गनायझेशन. अँड वेन any business organization run as a partnership is called as firm. Now we have to see the silent features. Partnership business organization consisting of members, it consisting of two to more members up to maximum 20 members, but if it is in case of banking firm then it consisting of maximum 10 members. All the partners having the agreement in between them. The agreement may be oral, written or implied, and the documents containing agreement is called as partnership deed. Under this partnership business organization, the profit which is earned in business organization is get distributed in the agreed ratio, generally in the ratio of invested capital. जो पैसा जास्त गुंतवेल त्याला प्रॉफिटमध्ये जास्त शेअर भेटेल. Partnership business organization, it may be get dissolved when this agreement or partnership deed is get over or there is a death or retirement of any partner. Partnership business organization, all the partners having the unlimited liability because they has to be satisfy the claims of creditors from their personal property. बिझनेससाठी जे घेतलेलं लोन किंवा क्रेडिटरचा जो पैसा आहे तो वापस करताना तितकी अमाऊंट जर ऑर्गनायझेशनकडे नसेल तर पार्टनरला त्यांच्या पर्सनल प्रॉपर्टीमधून ते लोन किंवा तो पैसा वापस करावा लागेल. दॅट्स वाय दे हॅविंग अनलिमिटेड लायबिलिटी ऑर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. Partners cannot transfer the shares to outsider without the permission. Now we have to see the advantages. This type of business organization is easily formed. Any two persons can comes together and form the organization. As there are number of partners, they meet as and when required. That's why prompt decisions are taken in this business organization. They having the enough financial resources because there are number of partners. These partners having a greater partnership business organization having a greater efficiency because there are number of partners can be looked for day-to-day management. Security to creditor because the partners has to be satisfied the claim of creditor from their personal property. The risk of business is get reduced because it get distributed amongst the number of partners. Business can be expanded by increasing the number of partners, and balanced judgment is taken in this partnership business organization because there may be a discussion carried out between the number of person. Disadvantages: it is very difficult to maintain the mutual agreement and harmony in between the partners because partners having the different behaviors. The dishonest or incompetent partner in the organization, it will be create the difficulties for business. The partners cannot withdraw their capital if they want. They has to be take the permission of other partners. Then partnership business organization having a lack of stability because there may be a over expiry of agreement, there may be a retirement, insolvency or death of partner. That's why it is a lack of stability. Generally public does not having the faith in this partnership business organization because all the affairs of business organizations are guarded closely. The outsiders does not know about the affairs, about the profit of organization. That's why public does not having the faith. Partnership business organization cannot run the large scale business organization because there is a limit of maximum number of partners, and as partners having a unlimited liability for the business depth. Now we have to see the kinds of partners. There are different types of partners. First, it is active or working partner. Active partner take parts in the management. He having a unlimited liability for the debt, and he can contribute the capital and take the share in profit. They are called as active or working partner. Sleeping or inactive partner, he does not take the part in day-to-day management. He also having unlimited liability for the debt. He can contribute the capital and share the profit. ॲक्टिव्ह म्हणजे जो ॲक्टिव्हली पार्ट बिझनेस ऑर्गनायझेशनमध्ये घेतो आहे तो म्हणजे ॲक्टिव्ह, आणि स्लिपिंग म्हणजे जो पार्ट घेत नाही पण प्रॉफिट घेतो आहे त्याला म्हणजे स्लिपिंग पार्टनर. नॉमिनल पार्टनर, these partners are gives only name, they not contribute the capital or profit, then also they having a unlimited liability. Partners in profit only, these partners invest their money in the organization for only profit. They does not having the liability if there is a loss in organization. Secret partner, these are the partner which does not want to know the outsider as he is a partner of organization. Then also they are having unlimited liability for the debt. बाहेरच्या लोकाला पार्टनर आहे असं समजणार नाही असे सिक्रेट पार्टनर्स. The partners who are having the age below the 18 years, they are called as minor partners. They are having a limited liability for the debt. And last, it is a partner by estoppel. It is not an actual partner of business, but he behaves as a partner, and as he behaves as a partner in front of third party can invest their money or credit into the organization. They are called as partners by estoppel. Thank you.